What's up, y'all? We're here in 2006 Chevy Tahoe 5.3, and we're changing out the thermostat real quick. Some people are telling you to take off that hose, that bottom hose. You don't really have to disconnect anything. Make sure you have a drain pan to catch this excess coolant. And it's just 2 bolts, very easy. All we did was remove this air cleaner, push it to the side. 2 10mm bolts, and they'll come right off. Make sure you put the thermostat back in the way you took it out. So these already come with a seal, so you don't have to buy a gasket for it. So just put it right back on the way it came off. Put those 2 bolts back on. That's it, and you're done. Make sure you run the car a little bit, maybe about 20 minutes or so. Take it for a drive. Make sure all the coolant went through. Basically, that's it. It's just a quick tip brought to you by Autotech 210 and Best Fleet Service. Y'all guys have a good day. Okay. So the way you put this thermostat back on, instead of sliding it in through the housing, you're gonna put it on this water outlet. And then it's got a little notch on the rubber hose, so you put that notch in here like that, and then it should slide right in. Alright, and then we'll just bolt that back up and should be good to go.